Hello and welcome to Lauriceskitchen. Today I'm making Alton Brown's falafel recipe. Based on the comments underneath his recipe, it seems that quite a few people had a problem with them sticking together and that the flavor wasn't quite right. From that, I can conclude that 1, there are no shortcuts when you make falafel, and 2, there are no shortcuts when you make falafel. Let's see what we're gonna need. We start with a pound of dried chickpeas. This is where you can't take the shortcuts. We can't use canned chickpeas, cooked chickpeas, or any other chickpeas. These need to be sorted and then rinsed. Then we cover these chickpeas with several inches of cold water. They can just sit on the counter loosely covered overnight. You can see that these chickpeas have plumped up quite a bit and this water is yellow. We're going to rinse them, drain them, and then cover them with cold, clean water again. We need to dry roast these coriander and cumin seeds until they're fragrant and toasty. And then we crush them in the mortar and pestle. These chickpeas have been completely drained, but I didn't dry them. They're getting mixed in with all the rest of these ingredients. And we can't take a shortcut with grinding these. These have to go through a food grinder. They cannot go through the food processor. This is my number 40 disher. We're just going to press these together and then they're going on this pan. These need to be carefully lowered into the oil. We don't want to just drop them in. I'm dipping these falafel in our herbed yogurt sauce from last time. Let's give these a taste. Of course, they're delicious. I've made them so many times. wonderful. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.